Welcome everybody, this is your boy Eddie with Joe's Gaming and Electronics. Today I'll be showing you guys how to connect a new bud to an existing case. So say you were out running, you lost one of your buds, you order a new one. This is the process of how to go ahead and sync that new bud to your case. So to get started, you can go ahead, open it up. Now place both buds into the case, which I have done already. And then once you have both buds placed in your case, go ahead and press and hold that middle button for roughly 15 seconds until you start seeing this white light start flashing red and white. Here we go. Once it starts flashing, let it go through its process, and then once it's back to the flashing white and just the white lights, you have completed the process and they should be synced. So now you can go ahead, grab your cellular device of choice or smartphone or whatever you're connecting these to, laptop. Go ahead and pop them open, and now they're ready to pair and they should connect to that device easily. If you have any questions about this process or having any issues, feel free to give us a comment down below. We do our best to reply to every single comment and we'll help you out. If you enjoy the video, smack a like, an insane, crazy like. And then if you didn't like it, dislike it. But tell us why, so we can improve. Hopefully, now you guys are bumping and jamming and finishing this video using your Beats Studio buds. Wouldn't that be something? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys got a hoot out of this video and got your buds working. Thank you for watching. This has been your boy Eddie with Joe's Gaming Electronics. We do sell these parts, so if you need, take a look below in the links. You can find something you're looking for, as well as many other electronics. So if you got these buds, looking for a pair of headphones, we got you. That's all I'm saying. Hope you enjoyed. Have a phenomenal rest of your day.